Ethan. Ethan. His camera's rolling.
Oh, yes. Hi everyone, this is Ethan, and these are the Mackenzie Mountains. The Mackenzie Mountains are in the Northwest Territories in the British Columbia and Territories region. The Mackenzie Mountain absolute location is 64 north and 120 west. It's north of the Beaufort Sea and south of British Columbia. Mackenzie Mountains have several physical characteristics. These include forests. There are lots of forests because there has not been any logging up in the higher points. It has mountains. It's called the Mackenzie Mountains. So there are lots of those taller stone structures. There are white-tailed deer. There's Wrigley Lake. The climate is cold. It gets down to negative 25 and it has a high of 25 Celsius and very dry. Its human characteristics include a very low population density, so per square mile, it's very low. It's in a territory and it's in a mountain. Nahanni National Park, it's a national park at the lower end of the Mackenzie Mountains. It's used for natural resources such as tungsten. They get a lot of mining there. There's a town called Tungsten where one of the first tungsten mines was made, and it still has a school and bungalow houses because the mine got shut down, so everyone moved away, and now it's a better mine and they don't have any township there. The Mackenzie Mountains were influenced and shaped by the discovery of tungsten and the mine that was built. Mining had a very large impact on the environment. It changes the land in such a way because you have those large pits and tunnels, and wildlife fall in them and die, and it pollutes. You get the tailings, you get all the machinery that they needed to move in, and that original mine was a very large open pit. The mining operation actually supported the town of Tungsten. It moves. The tungsten mine brought hundreds of people to the region, and they ship tungsten all over the world. The Nahanni National Park attracts tourists from around the world. So those pictures and all of those people saying, "I went to Nahanni," that's really great movement there. Hey guys, this is Ethan again, and now you get to learn about Great Bear Lake. It is exactly at 65 north and 120 west. It is south of the Arctic Ocean and northwest of Great Slave Lake. It's in the Northwest Territories and British Columbia and Territories region. It's a glacial lake, so it's fed by glaciers. 3/4 of the year it's ice. It is very cold there. It's located in a tundra, and it has northern pike. That is a very large fishing industry for northern pike in that lake. And the humans, the original tribe that was there was the Deline. They spoke the language of Hare, which is a different tribe, but they inherited it. And they call it the tribe of the widows, because they worked in radium and uranium mines, and they were not knowledgeable enough to know how radiation affects people. So they were just carrying it around with no protection. So yeah, that's them. And they worked in the uranium mines, and they got scared of their own land because everyone was getting sick from drinking the water. The human environment interaction is mining. We had uranium and radium mines. It gets moved around, so they have their uranium mines, and they ship that out, and people came in to work for that, so that you got the uranium mines. People come from great distances to go to Great Bear Lake for fishing, because there are lots of good fish in that lake. So it's very busy that 1/4 of the year when it's not frozen over. There, we fish out northern pike, and we left radium and uranium tailings everywhere around Great Bear Lake. So the Deline actually got really scared of their land, like I said before. And that really is all that you can say about Great Bear Lake.